Hey guys, welcome back to Little Grit Garage. In today's episode, we are fully transforming my new to me 2007 Crf150r. One of the last episodes, we put a new carburetor on this thing and did a lot of ripping. Insane power, does wheelies in almost every single gear. It's got some issues. Every single grip is ripped up. Bars are bent, bars are cut too short. Levers are ripped up, levers are the wrong size. That one's ripped up, also that size bent, obviously. Pegs are all bent, plastics are scraped. Our rear fender has had a better life somewhere else. Previous owner obviously looped this thing. And I'm not like dissing on the Honda look. This thing looks nice. It's just, I was gonna replace all the stuff that's broken, but then I was thinking at that point, every single thing I own around me right now is red and white except for my KTM. So we're gonna switch it up. We're gonna put brand new almost everything on this thing. Not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, so stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna get right into it. The first thing we're gonna do is take off our seat and put full brand new plastics on it, and then we'll move on to our bars here. Set a time lapse and get these new plastics thrown on. Alright guys, this thing is looking absolutely amazing. We still got black rims and tires and stuff to throw on it. Black essentials and stuff, and then obviously the graphics. But now I'm going to move on to these bars because these red handles are really annoying me. So we're going to get our new bars thrown on here and then get all of our essentials on there. Well guys, all the graphics are installed and holy cow, does this look good. We have the Monster Energy Crf150. The design follows along. Monster Energy on the back here. The seat cover is going to be installed in the front. I have a number plate coming because for some reason the Amazon kit didn't come with one. And cool wrap, but I have to say I'm never ordering from that company again in my life. So if you guys come across Avid Komodo graphics, do not order those, please. This is what ended up happening over here. I know a lot of you guys are going to be saying like, oh, that's your fault, you didn't do this. I did every single thing I could. I've installed probably 4 dirt bike graphics on different dirt bikes. These don't line up. Nothing on this build lined up. These was all, you line up one side and the other side is 4 inches off, so then you have to like, it absolutely sucked. We got these 2 bolt holes lined up and the end would just ball up right here. So we had to just put a sticker over it and call it good for now. But nothing really lined up at all except for these. But it does look really good. We got these up here. It sticks pretty good. I've had to peel down a few. But once you like do it the second time, they don't really come up anything. I've also got our new levers on, and holy cow, do these look nice. These are MZS racing levers made out of billet aluminum. And then of course the aluminum essential right there. I got both sides on. I don't have this one tight yet because this was our old throttle assembly. So this would go on right here. And then you would slide the grip on it and that would be our throttle. This is what it looked like. So I went ahead and ordered a new one. It's in here. So I'm going to set a time lapse. I'm going to throw our new throttle assembly on here, get both of our grips on here, get this all tightened up, and then the bars will be complete. And then we can move on to probably tires and wheels, because I have new tires and wheels for this thing too. I got the Pro Taper grips on here. Feels solid. All the levers are awesome. Got all the covers on them. I got this side over here, front brake, this grip. Feels really good. This doesn't retract back, but I'm pretty sure it has to be running. I'm not sure, but looks great. I don't have a bar pad for it yet because it came with a yellow one and it doesn't really match with anything. So I don't know what I'm gonna do on that. I might take that Tusk one off and put it on here, but I don't know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. It's getting pretty late. It's freezing out right now, and we have some new tires and wheels for this thing that we're gonna throw on. One more thing, actually, I have a new kill switch for this that I'm gonna throw on because this one has seen better days. Electronics are literally falling out of it. So I'm gonna get a new one installed, plop it right there, and then we're gonna throw some new tires on it. Well, we're staying with those tires because these rims, these don't fit. Which these weren't even for this bike. These are actually spares for my KTM right here. So I just thought it would look good. The black rims and the black graphics. Just so it looks good like this would look better. These aren't gonna work though, just fine. So I'm gonna put these back. And I think now we're going to put on our seat cover. Just got the seat cover mounted, and holy cow, this thing looks awesome. It's finally finished. NZS race levers, new bars, new bar pad, new grips, new graphics, new plastics, new shin plastic thingamajiggers, and it looks so nice. Looks so good. Feels awesome. New throttle body, new carburetor. This was my nicest looking bike, and I still think it is, but it just doesn't have graphics other than those stickers. So a bike with graphics, this one is easily the nicest looking one by far. Well guys, I think that's going to do it for today's episode. Thank you so much for hanging out while I built this project. It took like 2 months, I think, because stapler kept getting on back order, then the wrong one showed up, then we couldn't find that one, then a whole bunch of stuff happened. We got it finished. It looks awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.